बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। भाइयों कैसे हैं आप सब? ठीक है। मेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो है QSO कानूनी शहादत ऑर्डर 1984 के MCQs के बारे में। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। QSO was made by President on option B. QSO 1984 repealed by option A. QSO replaced with option A. Law of evidence was amended and replaced with QSO order to bring it with option B. QSO contains 166 articles. QSO does not apply on proceeding before arbitrator. Female witness does not appear in Hadood cases. Competency of witness is determined by court. How many witnesses required theft liable to HUD? HUD 2. How many witnesses to prove zina bil jabr? 4. How many witnesses qazaf liable to HUD? 2. How many witnesses for proving financial documents? 1 male or 2 female. Objection against the discriminatory question must raised by witness himself. Evidence of an accomplice subject to corroborative evidence. Evidence of an accomplice is not accepted in Hadood cases. Tazkiyah Shuhud is applicable on Hadood and Qisas. Who is vested the power of conduct of ID parade? Magistrate. Rules and regulation of ID parade shall be observed which are formulated by Supreme Court. Evidence value of ID parade is weak. Who may raise plea of alibi? Accused. Onus of proving the guilt of accused. Prosecution. What is the mode of admission? By document, by oral, both. An admission made to a stranger is valid? Yes. How many confession are in QSO? 2. Confession is in criminal cases. Admission is in civil cases. Judicial confession is admissible. Value of extrajudicial confession is weak. Judicial confession in front of magistrate. Extrajudicial confession is recorded by any person. A confession made to a police officer is not admissible. A confession taken down by oath is inadmissible. Confession shall be true or voluntary. Confession shall be option C. Admission usually used in civil cases. All confession are admission. Yes. All admission are confession. No. Is admission a conclusive proof of fact? No. Admission establish the right. Confession establish the crime. In conviction based on confession without corroborate alone? Yes. Is it dying declaration made basis for conviction? Yes. Hearsay evidence is no evidence. Hearsay evidence is not admissible in Hadood cases. How is document proved? By primary, by secondary? What are kind of document? Both. Which documents is regarded as public document? All of these. Facts admitted by party need not to be proved. Estoppel is derived from French. Burden of proof is on in criminal cases on prosecution. Examination in chief is a narrative form. Examination in chief is conducted by who present witness. Is leading question can be asked in examination in chief? No. Can a witness be impeached during examination in chief? No. Re-examination is conducted by party who present the witness. Leading question is asked in cross-examination? Yes. Testimony of an accomplice is subject to option C. Opinion evidence is not admissible. Every accused is subject to cross-examination. If admission is improper, then a new trial can be initiated. No. All documents must be proved by documentary evidence. A child is a competent witness to testify if he is able to understand and give rational answer. Any matter expressed by mean letter figure is called documents. The term accomplice means person who guilty in crime. Plea of alibi is applicable in criminal cases. The maximum incumbent probatic quaddict non coi burden of proof. There is no applicability of estoppel where deed is on fraud. The child during marriage is conclusive proof of legitimacy. When in cross-examination of a witness new things and facts appear, then the party allowed to re-examine the witness. The process of evidence conducted by the adverse party is called cross-examination. A nikah form document is a public document. A register of birth mentioned by a municipality is a document, public document. Evidence recorded through audio cassette is admissible. Press clipping in newspaper are in law admissible. QSO Act is a law, substantial law. Civil matters are decided in the basis of preponderance of evidence. Which of these needs not to be proved? Option C. If a person takes the right plea of alibi, right of self-defense, then the burden of proof is on the defense. An admission generally cannot be proved on behalf of maker. Judicial notice can be taken in civil, criminal both. Documentary evidence can also be hearsay. ID parade is held for identification of person only. Presumption of correctness is attached to the document proved to be 30 years. A compliance shall be competent witness except in had. All accused persons, included a compliance, shall be liable to cross-examination. A wish to prove a dying declaration by B. A must prove B's death. Evidence is primary, then secondary. Evidence is more effective. A dying declaration cannot form the sole basis of conviction unless it is corroborated. QSO 1984 does not apply to before arbitrator. When any witness turns down and record his evidence against the interest of the parties called hostile witness. Article 2 of QSO deals with definition. Article 2C of QSO deals with evidence. A person who has been convicted by a court for perjury or false evidence not competent unless he mended his way. Article 3 QSO describe of witness competency. Article 3 a lunatic is not competent for evidence. Article 9 apply to the interpreters. Article 15 a witness is not excused for answering the question. Article 16 of QSO deal with a compliance. Article 17 deals with the number of witness. Article 18 deals with the relevant facts. Res gestae means the things done, things for the next hearing. Option A, things done. Next, res gestae is under Article 19. Article 12 deals with the communicate of legal advisor. Article 13 deals with the writing, which article compel testimony against himself. 13b, relevancy of fact part of same transaction. Option D, facts necessary to explain or introduce relevant fact. ID parade. Article 22. Article 22 for identification parade. ID parade is a role of prudence. ID parade is a kind of corroborative evidence. Article 24 deals with the plea of alibi. Rules and regulation to ID parade formulated by Supreme Court. How many dummies in ID parade? 10. Facts not otherwise relevant become relevant. Option D. Article 30-36 deal with the admission. Admission have three kinds. Confession deal with under section 37. Confession is under article from 37 to 43. Article 44 deals with the cross examination. Article 42 applicable, not applicable in hudud cases. Is admission operate as estoppel under section 45. Article 46 deals with the hearsay evidence. Article 46(1) deals with the dying declaration. Entries in books is relevant under section 48. Previous judgment relevant under section 54. Also called res judicata under section 11. Res judicata is discussed under section 11 and 54 both. Opinion of expert deals under section 59 to 65. Character of parties are relevant under section 66. Opinion of a relationship is relevant under section 64. Previous bad character not relevant under section 68. Oral evidence is given under section 70. Primary evidence is under section 73. Secondary evidence is under section 74 to 76. Handwriting of person deals under section 77. Public document dealt under section 85. Private document under section 86. Presumption as to genuineness under section 90. Facts which court must take judicial notice. Option C 112. Estoppel deals under section 114. Rules estoppel from 114 to 116. Burden of proof dealt under section 117 से 129. Article 117 to 129 deals in cases civil, criminal both. The child dying during marriage conclusive proof of under section 128. Production of and examination of witness under section 130. Examination in chief 132, cross examination under section 134, leading question deals under section 136, court decide when question not be to be asked under section 144, scandalous question 146, style of witness 150, impeachment of witness 151, refreshing memory dealt under section 155, production document decided by 158 कोर्ट डिसाइड करती है. जजेस पावर टू पुट क्वेश्चन 161, improper admission shall not be granted in itself under section 162, modern devices 164, Pakistan has the court system 3 court system. फ्रेंड्स ये थे QSO ऑर्डर 1984 के MCQs. अल्लाह हाफिज़.